Hey Sky Solution crew, ever downloaded an app or used software that just flawlessly? That's not by accident. It's thanks to something called OR. Welcome to Software Quality Assurance 101, the what, why, and how. In this video, I'm demystifying SQA. We'll explore what it is, why it's, and how it ensures you get top-notch software. Let's get started and build some quality. First off, what's software quality assurance? In simple terms, SQA is that ensures software meets defined quality standards. It's not just about fixing bugs they appear, it's about preventing them in the first place. SQA is about building quality into every stage of the software development lifecycle. Now, SQA often gets mixed up with quality control and testing. Let's clear that up. The plan for quality is A of SQA. It's about verifying if the software the quality standards. And it's how if the software is working as expected. Think of SQA as the architect, QC as the inspector, and testing as the measuring tape. Why is SQA so important? Because quality software is. SQA leads to who get reliable and user-friendly products. It results in significant by catching defects early, avoiding expensive fixes later. It builds a strong for quality and reliability. And it associated with software failures, think security breaches, or system crashes. Quality is not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. SQA covers many aspects of software development. It starts with clear, ensuring we're building the thing. It includes quality in and practices. Rigorous at various stages is key. SQA continues through and even ensuring ongoing quality throughout the software's life. So, how do you actually SQA? It's about implementing a structured approach. First for your software. Then what testing, reviews, and processes will you use throughout development? And finally, your QA approach based on feedback and results. It's an ongoing cycle of quality improvement. SQA isn't just tacked on at the end, it's woven into the entire software development lifecycle. From the initial planning to deployment and beyond, SQA activities are happening at every stage. It's about making quality across the development team, not just the testers. For effective SQA, there are some best practices to follow. Embrace for repetitive tasks like testing, start shift left, focus on always refine your processes, and ensure across the team about quality goals and issues. SQA isn't always easy. Common challenges include pressure to deliver quickly. Scope creep can impact quality. And quality assurance requires resources, but addressing these challenges head-on is key to delivering successful software. And that's Software Quality Assurance 101. Hopefully, you now understand the what, why, and how of SQA. By prioritizing quality assurance, you can build better software, satisfy your users, and achieve long-term success. Ready to learn more about building high-quality software solutions? Visit skysolution.com to explore our resources. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word about software quality. Thanks for watching Sky Solution.